Hello Mario! In this video we've got our plan ready for upload to 12D. So we're going to have a look at that. So this is the surface demo plan that I created here, just given it the name Surface Demo. So that's the plan. It's pretty much stripped down so that it's just got the minimum number of layers in it, and we're going to take this into 12D. So first we've got to fire up our 12D program and get that all going like so. Now I have already done this and created a surface that I'm quite happy with, so I'm just going to set up a demonstration 12D program to be working in. And here's the new setup here. I'm just going to put this into my, I've got a USB that I'm using, and I'm going to, in my subdivision design, I'm going to call this one folder in the subdiv. Yeah, I'll put it in there, select the folder. And the project I'm going to call this one is demo. I'll call it demo upload, just demo upload 1. So that's going to be it there. So I'm just going to proceed at this stage, and it should start firing up. I'll notice that this is an older version of, we do have a more later version, but that should be essentially the same. So let's get that up to full noise. We've got plan 1 there, which is like so and like so, and let's get up to there. So it's just a matter of inputting the file into 12D, and this is how we do it: file, input, output, data input, and we've got a DWG or AutoCAD file. I think we're pretty much up to date with that there. We navigate to the file, so that's just a matter of browsing here to the, I'm just quite sure where I've put it at this point. I think it's in my, in here, in my working folder, just in there. And in this here, I think. No, it's looking for a DG file. Oh, subdivision design, sorry. And I think it was called Surface Demo. So there it is there. Yep, and that goes in there. I just have a 0 null value. I'm just going to leave pretty much everything how it is, not change too much at this point, and just go read. Like so. Finish, and there you can see that it's brought in, and there's all my points there. What I might do just at this point is to show there's my points in there like so. What I'd like to do is just to turn on the Z values, and you can see there's our Z values with all the points shown on in the existing road. Now what I've gone to do there is, I don't know those 0 points there. I think if we just turn off the model for the road centre lines, you'll see that there like that. So they'll disappear. So I don't want to include that just at that point, but I'll just turn that back on. Now to create a surface, what I wanted to do was to, I can put in a number of points, and I'm very aware that I probably want my subdivision to sort of flow, so I want a point up in here that goes quite high down in there, so that this cul-de-sac is up on a high, and that things flow down this way, that it flows down this way, that this is slightly higher, and it all comes back to here. That these sections are at the top of these sections is above the roads, and similarly for these ones here, and these ones here. So what I've tried to do is to put in I can put in a series of points. Now the way to put a point in is, first of all, in here you can determine what layer or model, as they're called in 12D, you want to put it in. So if we put it into existing boundary, or you can even create a new model just by typing it in here. So we could just type in here a model ground, I just might call it heights ground, like that. Enter. Okay, put them in there. We want them there. Now in here, this is the height, so you can determine what height you want that point to be. So I know that down in here these are 30, and so I want it to sort of come up to here. I also want this point here to be higher than this road and higher than that road. So if that's 30 there, I might say, for instance, want to put in a point at 30, let's just say 33 there, and we'll put that in there. So to put a point in there, I can just click on the point value here. Oh, I've got to put in the height here, so just type in 33 like so, and then click on the point here, and that will put a point that's a cursor snap. So click and accept, and there's a point 33 in there. So 30, 33 up in here. Oh, I might go at 32 and put the 33 here. So just again, just another point, and put it in there and accept. And then in here I might put a 32. Okay, 32, enter, and just put that point in there like so, accept, and you can see that I can establish a number of points. I've tended to go, oops, I didn't want that one there, Control Z. I've tended to go outside the boundaries. It doesn't matter if the surface goes outside the boundaries, except in some cases it's preferable. So what I've done after various processes of elimination and what have you, I've put some points in. Now it's possible to put points in at any time, really, and I've got another program here, another project. So I'll just go project open, and I'll go to my last demo. Surface 06 is the last one that I did, and I'll go open, and yes, do you want to save the current project? Oh, okay, I'll go yes, and then this is going to swap over to a previous project that I had. The project is currently locked by another user and cannot be opened. Try again. Cancel. Well, this here it is here, because I've actually got it open, and there you can see that the surface is in there, but I'm just going to turn that off for now. So that's surface 05 is my points. I'll just turn that on. Minus from here. I'll just turn off these contours, and I'll show you how we get those perhaps a bit later on. But ground contour there, turn them off. Okay, so there you can see that I've put in quite a number of points, as well as some existing, well, I didn't actually put some on the road, but as well as the existing points on the road. So if we turn on the Z values here, turn them on, you can see all of the values that I've put in. Now initially I put some around, and then what I found is that the contours weren't quite to my liking, so I added some more in around here to just sort of flatten the contours out a bit. So you can put additional ones in. I just want to just do a string inquire and pick, and I'll just pick that string there, and I've put those values in surface 05. So that's all of those points in there. You'll notice in this case here I haven't put I didn't put the marks in as I had on the other one. I was still able to do and create a surface, but yes, I not there. So I'll perhaps just finish this video here with having the information in there, and I'll show you some bits and pieces here, some further work in 12D. So we have just done, just to go back to our original one where we loaded this information in, we've got that basic plan shape in there loaded in, and now we're working on the heights to determine the surface. So let's leave it for there. That's got that in there pretty well, and we'll come back to you again with another little issue on the getting the surface sorted. Cheers. See you.